You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a feminine form of the Old English name known or spelled as Ashle. That would be a bit of a more conventional spelling, but the pronunciation is actually similar in English. Ashleigh, okay, so don't worry about the Leigh. It's not Ashleigh or Ashleigh. It's also pronounced simply. It's a bit of a different spelling, maybe more confusing, presumably, but it's the same pronunciation, Ashleigh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.